how to embed YouTube video in Weebly website. So let's see how to do it. Once you log into Weebly account, you will come to this main Weebly account page. In the left side of the screen, you need to select the site if you have more than one site created in Weebly account. Next, you need to click Edit Site on the right side of the screen to enter the site's dashboard. Next, in Weebly website dashboard, you need to click Pages in the top bar. And again, you need to select the page in which you want to embed the YouTube video. To edit content in the page, you need to select the Build tab in the top bar. And next, you need to select Video option, drag and drop in the page. To edit the video block, click on it. And now, in the pop-up window, copy the URL of the YouTube video you want to embed, and paste it in this YouTube video URL field. You need to head to YouTube site, and copy the YouTube video link that you want to embed. Click on the three-dotted More option, click Share option, and copy the YouTube video link. And next, paste it in the pop-up YouTube video link field. And finally, publish the settings. And done, you can confirm embedding YouTube video in the browser. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.